Hey yo, I'm at McDonald's. I'm about to try their new McCrispy strips. Let's see what's up with them. Hey, let's see what we got here. Look at them. These things look bony. Bony and long.
What? What the fuck?
Hey yo, these came with a creamy chili sauce. McCrispy strip dip. Let's see what's up with it. Let's try this thing plain Jane first. Hey yo, straight off top, this thing is alright. This thing got some flavor to it. You can see the seasoning on there, the little pepper. You know what I mean? Look like some real chicken, not no mystery meat. You know what I mean? Let's dip it though. Hey yo, this smells like some spicy French. Let's see what's up with it. Hey yo, this sauce is like sweet with a little bit of heat. I don't bang with it though. I'd rather dip this shit in some hot mustard or something, for real. Or barbecue. I don't know. I might do them plain Jane, for real. Never again, not this one. Hey yo, all in all, these things are alright. But I'm out of here, man. Peace and be safe.